In this video, we'll talk about fat burn mantra and how to eat like a celebrity and not get fat. Believe it or not, it's all about the mindset. If your body is a car, your mind is the engine. Your mindset drives your body, it fuels your will and determination to work towards your goal. It can be difficult to achieve and maintain your ideal body shape and weight. It takes more than just healthy eating and regular exercise. A positive and motivated mindset is essential to keep going. If you tell yourself negative things, this is so hard, I can't do this, you're not going to make it far. But if you encourage yourself with thoughts like, I can do this, nothing can stop me, I'm going to lose 5 pounds by the end of the week, you're motivated to achieve your diet goals. Mindsets are assumptions or beliefs that you establish to govern your behavior and choices. There are two types of mindsets, fixed and growth-oriented. People with a fixed mindset think of the absolutes and allow little to no room for possibilities. They're fixated to their definite opinion and would not budge from that framed mindset. When faced with a challenge, they tend to take the easy way out to avoid failure and embarrassment. This is a psychological principle known as self-handicapping. People with a growth mindset strongly believe in possibilities. They're open-minded, willing to adopt new ideas, and learn to improve. They take on challenges even at the risk of failing. They're open to embrace failure because they know they can learn from it. To successfully shed fat, first shed your negative thinking. Research shows that one of the many important factors that influences weight loss is your attitude, whether or not you believe you can do it and if it is worth doing. It's a simple theory. What you think will affect how you feel and in turn the actions you take. Similar to how conventional medications often treat symptoms of disease without addressing the cause, weight loss diets often address your weight without addressing what has led you to be overweight. Being overweight is not as simple as eating too much or moving too little. There's an underlying combination of subconscious conditioning, self-worth issues, emotional difficulties, and more. You might be able to lose a couple of pounds by solely changing your diet and doing exercises, but it won't last long, as symptom-specific diets will only be temporarily effective. Addressing the underlying psychological cause that led you to be overweight while applying a balanced diet and exercise will ensure you long-lasting weight loss. Follow these life-changing mantras that could help you eliminate any sort of destructive thoughts that sabotage your body weight. Others' opinions don't matter as long as I love my body. Eliminate the fear of others' opinions. When we despise how we look and how we feel, our bodies reflect and adopt these ideas. Due to the environmental conditioning, many people think they must be thin to really love themselves. It's all because of others' opinions. But loving yourself must come first for your weight loss efforts to be effective. Shed your fears. Learn to love your own body and each small change that occurs to it through your dieting effort. Slow and steady. Learn as you go. If you lose your fats too fast, it may not last. A little goes a long way. Focus on progress over perfection because no perfection comes along without long-term progression. Be patient and work with a well-planned diet for the long run. Your body takes time to adjust to all the changes. A diet done in the right way will ensure that your body will be accustomed to the changes and that the effects are definitely longer lasting. I may not be where I want to be, but I'm better than where I was. I don't have enough time. 15 minutes of workout won't make a difference. Sound familiar? This is the kind of statement that gives you permission to veer from the healthy habits that help you lose weight. Don't find excuses. A tiny effort done is always better than none. 15 minutes each day rather than none at all is still going to make a change to your body regardless of how significant it is. Always remember that every small step taken is a step closer to your goal. Never underestimate yourself. Now I'll share with you how to eat like a celebrity and not get fat. When you see photos of Rihanna's slim but glamorous silhouette or Jessica Alba's flat post-pregnancy tummy, you probably wonder how celebrities stay so lean and how they always manage to snap back into shape in the blink of an eye. Truth is, some celebrities go to strange and outrageous lengths to get or stay thin, even though most of them swear that their perfect bodies come from exercising and eating clean. It's risky to just blindly follow with those alleged diet plans of celebrities. But fret not, because here are some legit, useful, and healthy tips quoted directly from A-list celebrity trainers you could steal and not be wary of the risk. Tips from celebrity trainers. Number 1. Celebrities eat breakfast. Number 2. They pick their veggies. 3. They snack. Healthy snacks, of course. And number 4. They don't stop drinking water. Now, let's talk about the first tip. Celebrities eat breakfast. We all know the importance of breakfast, but there are still many people skipping their breakfast on a daily basis. Celebrity trainer Gunnar Peterson, trainer to Jennifer Lopez, Penelope Cruz, Leia Remini, introduced the idea of eating within 30 minutes of waking up in the morning. You want to send your body a signal that you're not starving, so it starts burning fat, says Peterson. Try oatmeal, scrambled egg whites, fruits. These ingredients provide filling fiber, protein, and vitamins. Research shows that breakfast eaters are more successful at long-term weight loss as it helps jumpstart your metabolism and prevents overeating throughout the day. Here's tip number 2. Be picky in choosing your veggies. No, celebrities don't plan and pick their own veggies. They're taught by their trainers to be picky in what veggies they eat. Here's a tip to slimming down a few inches for a be-seen event. Nutritionist Carrie Wyatt made famous singer Fergie stock up on watery veggies and fruits, lettuce, celery, cucumbers, watermelon, grapes, to help get rid of bloating, as those veggies work by flushing out your system. Cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, and pears lead to gas and bloating, so if you'd like to be seen lean for the night, remember to avoid these right before an event. Tip number 3. They snack. Healthy snacks, of course. Trainer Valerie Waters had her clients, Jennifer Garner, Elizabeth Berkley, carry 150-calorie snacks wherever they go. A few all-time favorite snack combos include apple slices with low-fat string cheese, a couple of crackers topped with chicken salad, or a few slices of turkey ham with fruits. According to Valerie Waters, it's important to eat something every 3 to 4 hours, because you can go from feeling kinda hungry to thinking you're starving badly, as your blood sugar can drop quickly. Healthy snacking helps curb your cravings and gives you an instant energy boost to keep you satiated. Tip number 4. They don't stop drinking. I hope you're not thinking about alcohol. Drink water. Of course it's water. They never stop drinking water. Celebrity trainer and nutritionist Harley Pasternak, whose clients include Lady Gaga, Rihanna, Megan Fox, Robert Downey Jr., urges the importance of hydration. According to Pasternak, thirst can often be mistaken for hunger, so regularly sipping water throughout the day can keep excess calories off your plate and your mouth. Now that you already know the 4 tips from celebrity trainers, let's move on to the 3 famous celebrity diet plans. The first one is the 5-factor diet. Created by nutritionist and celebrity fitness guru Harley Pasternak, the 5 factors consist of the elements each meal should include: protein, complex carbs, fats, fibers, and fluids. This diet plan requires you to eat 5 meals a day with recipes of no more than 5 ingredients. And guess what? You get 1 cheat day per week, where you're allowed to eat anything you'd like. Celebrities like Eva Mendes, Alicia Keys, Megan Fox, and Katy Perry are the followers of this diet. The next diet plan is the Zone Diet. Developed by former scientist Dr. Barry Sears, this diet involves obtaining 40% of your daily caloric intake from carbohydrates, 30% from fats, and 30% from carbs. Sears created this diet based on balancing the correct amount of amino acids with carbs because it helps control your appetite and prevent overeating. You are to eat 3 portion-controlled meals and 2 snacks a day. Famous Hollywood celebrity Jennifer Aniston was such a big fan of this diet, some even called it the Jennifer Aniston diet. And lastly, the Pressed Juicery. Pressed Juicery is a California-based company whose products are, in general, dense in nutrition, low in sugar, yet high in fiber, and are proven to be a sensible way of consuming calories. It has been widely popular among celebrities to follow this 6 juices a day, 1,200 calorie intense cleanse. This Pressed Juicery diet is said to be a major bloat beater. Every morning you'll receive a daily supplement of juices delivered to your doorstep. Each fresh, nutrient-packed drink is specially designed to replace meals and snacks, and you're highly advised to avoid alcohol, caffeine, and nicotine in order to achieve a complete cleansing. Hollywood celebrity, and also a busy mom, Nicole Richie, sips on these juices. I drink these between meals to be sure I'm getting everything I need. I don't go a day without a greens juice. Kale, spinach, cucumber, celery, and romaine. It's actually really good, says Richie. Lastly, I'll share with you the star diet mantras and tricks. Now the Hollywood stars are spilling their secrets to their perfect body shape. Aren't you excited? Nicki Minaj's secret is no sugar or starch. She lost 10 pounds by giving up Snickers and sides of potatoes 3 days before a big shoot. Hilary Duff's secret is simply treat yourself. She does boxing drills and runs a lot. She eats a lot of chicken, but she rewards herself too. Kaylee Cuoco's secret is no alcohol. She skips alcohol for a lean body, claiming that alcohol bloats the body. She also works out 4 to 5 times a week, yoga, horseback riding, etc. Jennifer Lopez's secret is cardio all the time. She lost 8 pounds by eating lean meat, broccoli, and carrots. Jessica Simpson's secret is oatmeal in small portions. She eats small portions of chicken and oatmeal. She also does strength training sessions 3 times a week. Miranda Lambert's secret is to have everything in moderation. She plans her daily intake. If her breakfast is high in calories, she picks a low-calorie dinner like grilled chicken and sweet potatoes. She still snacks on her must-have snacks, Cheetos, by doing daily hour-long cardio drills. Ashley Tisdale's secret is, again, breakfast. She always starts her day with fresh fruit, an egg white omelet, and whole wheat toast. And there you have it. All the secrets from top celebrities to start blasting those fats away. Hope these tips and tricks motivated you and encouraged you to start burning those fats away from your body.